everyone. Happy Friday Eve. I'm Candace Scalese. This is CBS 21 Next, where we dive deeper into our biggest story of the day. And today we're talking about some shocking local government news. That is the Gettysburg Borough Council says its mayor has turned in his resignation and he has not been on the job for very long. Following this story is CBS 21 News reporter Lily Sexton. We're going to bring her in. So, Lily, do we know why he's resigning? How did all of this play out?
Right. We do have limited details about the resignation, but what Borough Council President told us is that it's for a personal legal matter. I asked if they could give us any more information than that, and they said no, but hopefully in the coming days or weeks, we do know more about that legal matter.
Okay, so he didn't just turn in his resignation. By the way, it's Chad Allen Carr who you're looking at. Here's his photo. He didn't just resign from his government position, but I understand he also stepped back from other community roles.
Right. He was also an executive director at Gettysburg Community Theater. That's a theater that he founded himself or helped found in 2009. He also stepped down from his position there. We did go to the community theater today to ask for a statement, and they said that they are still in the middle of a discussion when we walked in about what they're going to do. So this is also news to them, and they're looking for guidance on how to approach the following.
So he's the one who's turning in his resignation for, quote, personal legal matters, which we don't know what that is right now. I know that our team has submitted a right to know request where we are basically, asking for more public information about this. How is the borough council reacting? How are people you spoke to who live there reacting?
Right. I was able to speak to the borough council president today. I asked him if they saw this coming at all, and he told me no, this was a surprise to them, and that they're focusing on now replacing him. They are going to officially accept his resignation on Monday, and then they have 30 days from there to find a replacement for mayor, and that person would serve until the following election, which is in November 2027. So they were telling me they were shocked. This wasn't something that they saw coming. I spoke to community members as well today. They were also shocked, and a lot of them had a lot of questions. They want to know more reasoning as to why he's stepping down so suddenly.
Yeah, on his bio on the website, I know it says that Gettysburg is like his adopted home. He's been part of the community for a long time. Obviously, you mentioned he helped found that theater, open it at least in 2009. So I think anytime somebody all of a sudden steps down, it's pretty shocking. Any idea who might want this job?
So the borough council is going to have to appoint someone, but I was able to speak today to the former mayor who ran against him both in the general election and also the primaries. And her name is Rita Freeling. She told me that she would love to have this position again, and she is going to try to take the steps to do that.
Okay.
Here's the mayor that we got from her today, the statement that we got from her today.
Yeah, and I know that you were just conversing with her. You're speaking with her a little bit later, but she says she would love to be mayor and serve the people of Gettysburg. How close was that race when she lost to Carr?
In the primaries, she lost by only 43 votes.
Wow.
And
okay.
then, right, she only served one term, so she wanted to serve again. She had enough write-in ballots to then run as a Republican against him again in the general election. And there she lost by more votes. It was 183 votes.
Okay. Do we know, did the council president say anything else about who they're looking for, or is it too early to tell as far as who's going to be Carr's replacement?
I think it's too early to tell. I asked them if they have any names in mind or if they had any comment on Rita running, and he said that he had no comment on that. And he did say that it is going to be a very transparent election. They're going to keep community members in the loop once they do start the search and once they do start that process. But as of right now, they don't have too much information yet.
And do you know with this process, is it the council that appoints somebody, or is this going to be an election style appointment?
The council is going to appoint somebody. And like I said, they only have 30 days to do it. So we should be getting more information on that soon.
So interesting. And I know that we all want to know why he's stepping down. Of course, we only know what he has told the council president, that it's for personal legal reasons. So very curious, but thanks for getting that information for us today, for speaking with the council president. Here's more on our website if you want to check it out on cbs21.com. And Lily's going to have a full report tonight on the CW at 10 and on CBS 21 at 11, which you can always stream on our website and you can catch anytime you are local to us as well. So Lily, thank you. Appreciate it. And that's it for our 21 Next today, as we work to learn more information about why this Gettysburg mayor has suddenly resigned.